Hey, have you heard the news? What news? Oh, you better listen up. Is everybody here? We got everybody? Yep. Okay, yep, we got hot dogs and hamburgers because you can't have a party without hot dogs and hamburgers. And we've got the popcorn maker because life is better with popcorn. And you're going to need it for all the movies. What movies? Oh, you haven't heard, have you? Oh, is he going to fix my samurai sword? I need some metalwork done on my helmet. Maybe he'll restore that. Well, I got my cup of coffee, because coffee goes good with everything. Oh, I got the caution cones. I got the safety gear. I got the first aid kit. All on standby. Come check us out, because everything's better with a motor on it.